how can LinkedIn ads help your business? As a marketer, you are already aware that your business idea will go as far as your efforts to get it out there. And there are usually two common routes to achieve maximum exposure and results: organic reach and paid advertising. Now, when it comes to paid advertising, everybody likes to get the job done through the usual platforms, which is fine because we all know the importance of establishing a presence across the largest display networks. But what about LinkedIn? It's by far the largest and most popular professional network on earth, and yet there is only a handful of marketers leveraging its advertising platform. Here are some of the ways in which LinkedIn ads can help your business. LinkedIn ads will allow you to target the largest pool of career-minded people available. While advertising networks such as Facebook and Google are better for promoting consumer-grade products and entertainment, LinkedIn is better for promoting career-related products such as ebooks, video training, and events such as webinars. With over 400 million active users, you can bet that LinkedIn is the safest place to reach the most professional people in your audience. LinkedIn is a great place to promote B2B offers and items. Unlike Facebook, LinkedIn is not a social media platform to hang out and slack off, and you are unlikely to find business managers looking for entertainment in there. They will be likely looking for productive business partners and information about how their industry operates overseas. That is the reason why LinkedIn is considered to be a good place to promote business-to-business stuff such as production line products and corporate-oriented services. In fact, close to 60% of LinkedIn profiles belong to managers and people in leadership positions, which makes them invaluable targets when it comes to promoting high-priced, industry-specific items and services. LinkedIn ads provide perfect targeting matches. One of the secrets behind every successful advertising campaign is in how it targets the intended audience. LinkedIn ads provide you with amazing targeting features that allow you to reach users by occupation or job title, by particular skills, by the company they work at, and by industry. This will allow you to reach the decision makers or the skillful workers looking for information about how to improve their skill set, depending on what you will be offering. LinkedIn ads are budget friendly. LinkedIn ads can be served on a minimum $2 a day budget, which is a great way to test out short-term campaigns in order to map out more complex ad redistribution strategies over the long term. There are plenty of LinkedIn ad formats. LinkedIn ads offer excellent adaptability due to its wide variety of formats, which nicely differ in size, shape, positioning, and purpose. From classic newsfeed ads to promoted presentation slides, LinkedIn ads allow you to test and optimize your advertising units until you reach your ideal conversion sweet spot. As you can see, LinkedIn ads can give you an advantage that no other advertising network can match when it comes to reaching decision makers. Would you like to learn some more awesome stuff about LinkedIn's advertising platform? Then tune in to our following video.